G'day everybody, Blake here from Vegepod. So the Vegepod's a raised vegetable garden kit. So it comes with a cover, container, and it makes it easy to grow pretty much whatever you like. So you make sure you fill the soil right up to the top. You're always watering your plants from above. When the water runs through the soil, it collects in our reservoir, which are these containers underneath. So as the plants grow, the roots go down and drink out from under there. There's enough water in here to last 3 weeks in the middle of summer. So if you forget to water or you go away, you're good for 3 weeks. So it doesn't matter. Cover, which comes included, comes down, clips into the front, and is strong enough, you try rip or tear this, to keep out deers, raccoons, squirrels, birds, bugs, slugs, kangaroos, crocodiles. You don't need to worry about anything. And fine enough to keep out the bugs, slugs, cabbage moths, so no pests. The only thing that's ever gone through is a bear. So if you don't have any bears, nothing's getting in your veggie patch. Lining the top of the canopy, connect the hose. There's actually a mist irrigation, so plug the hose in, turn the tap on, fine, mist spray will come down. If you want to get a timer, you can make it automatic. Totally up to you. Under the cover as well, it does refract the light at multiple angles, which stimulates a faster growth rate. So we leave the hood down all the time. Protects from the pests, increases the growth rates, and also protects from weather. So hail bounces off, protects from storms, the sun blocking 17%, so it takes the edge off while still letting all the light in. So it's a nice protected climate for veggies. Now this isn't just for your herbs and leafy greens, which is of course great bang for buck, but we'll do all our fruiting plants. We do tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries, eggplants, and you do have a 4 foot, so we've even done big sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, onions, garlics, pretty much everything. So you can grow whatever you want in there. You do have the 4 foot. It's easy for assembly. It's all like Lego. It all clips in and out, so you don't have to worry. No tools required. It all clips in and out like this. This simply Velcros on and off, so quite easy. We've got instructions and a video on our website step by step, so you won't have a problem. This is our baby unit here, which is essentially a singular unit. We have the medium, which is a double, and then the large one, 4 times this size, is the quad. So you can, depending on if you've got a little balcony or a patio or a big backyard or a farm or whatever you've got, you can have a garden fit any space and size. They all come with an optional legs, so you can have it waist height, so you don't have to bend over. As you can see, it's quite an accessible height to garden at. And they also come with a trolley option, which have big heavy duty casters if you need to move it around. So you can put it straight on the ground, you can put on the legs or the trolley, so it depends what setup you want. This cover comes included, which is the white mesh, which is great for weather, pests, and increasing the growth rate. But we do have a clear plastic PVC mini greenhouse cover, which allows you to grow all year round here in Vancouver. It's good for up to about -5, -10. So you grow your leafy greens and brassicas, but you still can grow all year round with that winter cover. So yeah, just to sum it up, you can grow organic because it's BPA free. Doesn't leach or break down like timber and metal beds, which rot and break down. It's easy to use, easy to build. It's very durable, will outlast the average cedar bed by 3 times. It's the only way to grow critter free. The growth rate's absolutely wild, protects from the weather, and you can grow whatever you like. So that's about it.